Hello, orchid lovers, and welcome to the Great Garden channel. Everyone surely wants their orchids to be lush, with glossy leaves and flowers blooming evenly all year round. To give you more options for caring for your orchids using safe, organic methods, today's video will introduce a completely natural care technique. This method uses only very simple ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. It's a simple yet highly effective secret that takes advantage of natural nutrients many people don't know about. This method helps orchids recover vigorously and grow lush. The roots become strong, anchoring firmly in the medium, while the leaves absorb nutrients optimally. At the same time, it stimulates new shoots to develop and flower buds to form evenly and brilliantly. This is the secret to keeping your orchid garden vibrant and full of life. Now, let's get started. The first ingredient I'm using is bay leaves. Bay leaves not only help prevent fungi and bacteria on the leaves and roots, but also provide gentle trace minerals that stimulate metabolism and support healthy orchid root growth. Here, I'm using 3 to 5 bay leaves. Next, I crush or tear the bay leaves into small pieces. This process breaks down the leaf structure, releasing the essential oils and natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds inside. As a result, these active substances dissolve more easily in water, creating a concentrated extract that works more effectively for orchids. After tearing the leaves, I place them into a clean glass jar. The next ingredient I use is rice. Rice helps nourish the beneficial microorganisms in the solution, creating a favorable environment for them to thrive. At the same time, it supports healthy orchid roots and enhances their ability to absorb nutrients from the growing medium. I add 4 tablespoons of rice to the jar. Next, I pour 500 milliliters of boiling water into the mixture. Using boiling water helps the nutrients in the bay leaves and rice dissolve more quickly while naturally sterilizing the mixture. After that, I cover the jar and let it sit for 1 hour. While waiting for the mixture to steep, I proceed to flush the plant with clean water. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. This pre-watering step isn't just a formality. It's an essential action to prepare the plant for more effective fertilizer absorption. When water thoroughly soaks into the growing medium, it washes away dust and salt residues from the roots or pot surface, creating a clean and airy environment for the root system. At the same time, this moisture helps activate and stimulate the tender root tips, making them ready to take in fresh nutrients. Thanks to this, when the organic fertilizer is applied, nutrients can penetrate deeply and spread evenly throughout the medium, allowing the roots to absorb them more efficiently. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. The leaves become glossy and green, the roots strong, and the plant produces flowers more uniformly, with long-lasting, vibrant colors. After watering, it's best to let the plant rest so the roots have time to absorb the moisture, ensuring nutrients are fully optimized and supporting healthy growth and abundant seasonal blooms. After 1 hour, the nutrients will have fully dissolved into the water. At this point, simply open the lid and stir the mixture. Stirring helps the nutrients from the bay leaves, rice, and other ingredients disperse evenly throughout the liquid, ensuring every part of the mixture is nutrient-rich. Next, pour the mixture into a blender and blend it thoroughly. Blending breaks down the structure of the bay leaves and rice, releasing the maximum amount of nutrients, essential oils, and minerals, resulting in a smooth, nutrient-rich liquid. Next, I strain out the solids, keeping only the clear extract. This step makes the liquid smoother, richer in nutrients, and easier for the orchids to absorb when applied, ensuring the roots take in the maximum amount of nutrients to support healthy growth, glossy leaves, and abundant, long-lasting blooms. After that, I add 1 liter of water to dilute the mixture. Now the organic fertilizer is ready to use. Let's apply it to your orchids right away. Method 1. First, pour the prepared bay leaf and rice solution into a small cup. Then, soak a soft cloth or cotton pad in the solution and gently wipe both sides of each orchid leaf, taking care to do it slowly and carefully. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Wiping the leaves isn't just about cleaning the surface, it brings many important benefits. It removes dust, buildup, and hidden pathogens from the leaves, allowing the stomata to open so the nutrients in the solution can easily penetrate the leaf tissue, stimulating glossy, thick, and healthy foliage. Bay leaves provide natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds that help prevent the growth of harmful bacteria and fungi on the leaves and roots, while also boosting the plant's overall resistance. Rice adds carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals, and nourishes beneficial microorganisms, helping the roots grow stronger, absorb nutrients more effectively, and improve the plant's overall growth. Apply this method once a week during the first month to maximize nutrient absorption. After that, reduce to once a month to maintain shiny leaves and healthy roots. Method 2. pour the bay leaf and rice solution into a watering can. Then gently water around the base of the orchid. When you water at the roots, the valuable nutrients from the bay leaves and rice penetrate deeply into the growing medium, directly nourishing each orchid root. Bay leaves not only provide antibacterial and antifungal protection, but also form a natural barrier that helps the roots resist harmful agents from the surrounding environment. At the same time, the compounds in bay leaves stimulate the root system to grow evenly, vigorously, and firmly, improving its ability to absorb water and nutrients. Rice, with its natural carbohydrates and minerals, feeds the beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium, creating a healthy biological environment that helps roots function more efficiently and absorb nutrients optimally. Thanks to this combination, the entire orchid is nourished in a balanced way. Leaves stay glossy green, roots grow stronger, and flowers bloom more evenly, last longer, and keep their vibrant colors season after season. Apply root watering once a week during the first month, then reduce to once a month, depending on the plant's vigor and the moisture level of the medium. Be sure to water evenly and gently to avoid excessive pooling, ensuring the roots absorb nutrients effectively, while keeping the area around them well aerated. With this method, orchids will grow healthy, with shiny green leaves, sturdy roots, and abundant long-lasting blooms each season. Method 3. Pour the remaining solution into a spray bottle and mist evenly over the entire plant, including leaves, stems, roots, and leaf axils. Misting allows the nutrients to come into direct contact with all parts of the plant. It not only provides additional vitamins, minerals, and natural antibacterial compounds, but also forms a protective layer against fungi, bacteria, and pests. When sprayed evenly, the orchid's leaves become glossy and healthy, the stems strong, and the leaf axils nourished, while the auxiliary roots around the base absorb extra nutrients from the solution on the growing medium. Apply this method once a week during the first month, then reduce to once a month to maintain its benefits. With consistent use, the entire orchid will grow in balance. Glossy green leaves, strong roots, and evenly blooming flowers with lasting color, while also improving resistance and maintaining long-term vitality. After watering or spraying the solution, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes so that the roots and leaves have enough time to absorb water and nutrients. During this period, if you notice any water droplets on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe them off with a soft cloth or clean cotton. This small step is extremely important because tiny water pockets on the leaf surface, in crevices and axils, provide an ideal environment for mold, bacteria, and pathogens to develop. By drying the leaf surfaces, you actively eliminate this breeding ground, significantly reducing the risk of leaf rot, tip rot, and other microbial diseases. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. With dry leaves, the roots can function more effectively, nutrient transport is optimized, and photosynthesis occurs more efficiently. Results. After 2 months of care using the bay leaf and rice solution, the changes in the orchid pots became strikingly evident. The new roots grew densely, plump, and firmly anchored in the growing medium, providing a solid foundation for the plant to absorb nutrients and water to the fullest. Healthy roots not only stabilize the plant, but also stimulate the overall development of new shoots and leaves. The leaves turned deep green, glossy, vibrant, and thick. Each leaf seemed fully nourished, allowing the plant to photosynthesize efficiently and maintain energy for robust growth. New shoots grew strong, the stems became sturdy, enhancing the plant's natural resistance, reducing vulnerability to pests, and preparing them to develop into potential flower buds. Orchids that previously struggled to bloom began producing healthy flower buds, while those already flowering displayed longer-lasting blooms with bright, vivid colors. The bay leaf and rice solution helps nutrients penetrate deeply into the roots, nourishing the leaves and flower buds, creating optimal conditions for balanced and stable growth. As a result, the plant remains full of vitality, with glossy leaves, strong roots, and evenly blooming flowers that continue season after season. This is the well-deserved reward for consistent care. When properly nourished, the orchid responds with abundant vigor and naturally vibrant flowers. Enjoy every moment of caring for your orchids. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any new orchid care tips. Goodbye, and see you in the next video on the Great Garden channel.